video, I'm going to show you how I create my social media post using Pretty Prompt. So this is just going to be a short demo on how I create a social media content with this very nice app. So let's get started. Now, let's try to create, let's write something like create a social media post about a beauty brand, beauty skin brand. And let's see what Pretty Prompt can do with this. We have to click the icon here, improve prompt, and let's see. You are a professional social media manager specializing in beauty and skincare marketing. Create an engaging head. Okay. Friendly aesthetic, professional tone. Do not use medical claims. Do not use more than 80 words in the body. Okay. Let's try to apply this and see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay. All right, so we have, this is the title. Your skincare routine should be blah, 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 all these things. And we also have we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hashtags. Now, to me, this isn't complete because I also want to have the visual ideas and other things that I want AI or ChatGPT to generate for me here, because it's not complete. Obviously, when you create a post, you also have to have a static image or graphic, stuff like that. So let me just add something to the prompt. Now let's go back and edit the prompt. So let's see. Please include the post concept, visual idea, and caption direction. Then let's improve the prompt. Okay, you are an expert social media manager with beauty care marketing. Objective is to create skincare brand. The post should aim to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to the product page, specifically targeting skincare enthusiasts, ages, Instagram audience, skincare. Okay, assumption the specific product benefit to highlight will be provided. Okay, so here's the post concept, a brief overview of the post theme, visual idea, description of the accompanying visual element, caption direction, the text content of the post, and the caption. Okay. All right, avoid. Okay. And that's hashtags right there. Okay, now I want to include something. I want this post to be used for Instagram. Now let's do like this, another one. LinkedIn audience. And let's see. Okay, so engaging LinkedIn post for, okay, platform LinkedIn audience, skin enthusiast, and industry professionals. Because we know that on LinkedIn, we've got professional people there. And we want to target those people. So let's apply this and see what ChatGPT will give us. Now, we have everything that we need, from post concept, visual idea, and the caption direction. We have the hook, the body text, call to action, and stuff like that, and hashtag. So now what I would need is the visual aspect, or the graphic post for this specific post. Now what I would do is I'll copy this first, this post concept, visual idea, and I'll copy the post concept and visual idea. Okay, and open a new chat. I would say I need you to create an image post, and the ratio, the format is 4:1 ratio. Then here's the visual idea and post concept. I'll just paste that right there and ask Pretty Prompt to improve that for us. So the screen features of premium skin product include subtle, elegant graphic overlay or text element that includes clean ingredients and substantial packaging to reinforce. Okay, I think this is good. Or we can also refine this one. Let's see, what is the primary color palette? So we can choose, depends on your brand color. So let's say for example, cool minimalist. Let's say that's your brand color. What specific type of skincare product is being featured? Yes, because this got to be specific. Let's say for example, a solid cleansing bar. And then what is the desired mood of the lighting? So bright and airy studio, soft golden hour natural light, diffuse soft and morning light. I prefer this one. And let's see. Okay, act as a professional commercial product photographer, specializing in sustainable beauty brand. Create. Okay, we have the ratio there. Solid cleansing bar, and then natural. Okay, so I think this is good. Then let's see what ChatGPT can give us. Wait a little bit, and it will provide us the best image that it can give. Now I want to show you the website. That's the dashboard, the website of Pretty Prompt. So Pretty Prompt basically is a Grammarly for prompting. They also have, what's really nice is that they have videos on YouTube that we can we are updated. We will be updated of upcoming updates and development. So and they also have directory where you can get information regarding the prompts and the prompt and other things that you might be interested about. They also have their blog section, but what I really am a bit annoyed is that when I wanted to reach out to them, I have to send them an email or submit a ticket. I would suggest it would be nice if they have an AI bot or some sort of like an assistant, AI assistant, if real support or your human support is not available. Because let's say, for example, I want to show you, I'm struggling with deleting one of this folder. I don't know how to delete this. There's no way that I can delete this. Look at that. I can't delete. I don't know. am I missing something here? I can't find anything. I've been trying to do that, and I sent them an email asking how to delete this. Okay, so I really don't know how to delete that. That's the only thing that I can see that it's annoyed me. So, but it's okay because they're still working. I'm pretty sure they're working on developing the app here. But as for now, this is the only thing that just annoys me. And yeah, and also I want to show you, before I would proceed to the image that ChatGPT is generating, I want to show you something here. I want to create another post. I'll show you this one. Create a social media post on skincare product. Okay, so let's improve the prompt. Okay, I'm on the dashboard now. This is, look at that. It's got everything. It's got everything. It really improves that simple prompt, and it has provided us this very, very well well done prompt. Now let's move on. Okay, so I do have the new version here. Now I can improve it more or refine it by providing answers to these questions, and then you can also add context. These are the contexts that I've made, and then through also chat I can refine that, and I can say please oh my goodness, please include the format. It's for IG. Let's see. Okay, now it's restructuring. This is version 2. So reading product. Okay. Instagram post for, okay, so yeah, the only thing, this is where you save this prompt. The only thing that also I wish that they could do something about is, as of now, this prompt is not saved, but it's in the history, I believe. But if I want this to be saved in my library, I have to click this. I think would be nice if I click this button right here, it would give me an option to which folder I will save this prompt, instead of clicking this and just automatically goes to my private library, and I still have to manually in this side I have to add it to the folders right here. But it would be nice if, you see, it's already gone, but I'll go to the history. So this is it's in the history, this one, and then I have to add to the library. Let's say the title is social media post, and save. Okay, but it would also be nice if I could, when I click here, it will give me an option to save it to the folder where I want to save it, or give me that options to to choose where to save it, to which folder. Here, like here, if I would click that, it would open a pop-up screen that it would allow me to save it to a specific folder. So instead of just clicking that, and it would just automatically go to my personal, you see, it's right here, this one. So then you have to add this one here, do that. So that's the only thing also, aside from the how to delete the folder that I think needs to consider. So yeah, now let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's see the image, and look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? It looks so natural. It's not even like, doesn't even look like AI thing, or but just it's like real soap. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. So yes, that's it. That's how Pretty Prompt has helped me creating my social media post using the improved and refined prompt that it can provide. I'll show you another thing. I don't know if I still have it here. Yeah. So the other day, I also created a post regarding generational wealth building, and this is the image that through that refined prompt, the image that ChatGPT gave me. So yes, this is so amazing. This is so amazing, and just want to tell you that I am going to get another code, or upgrade my tier. So yeah, and I'm encouraging you guys to get this
content outputs that you want from AI tools. Bad news
to get this software, because it's really, really good. It's just worth the investment right here. So for now, they are, let's see, where did you go? Just a second. For now, we have 36 hours more to go before they increase the price. So tier 1, $34, tier 2, $99, and until tier 5, which is $699. Wow. And this is Eli, the founder, and he's the one who speaks on YouTube, on the videos on YouTube, and all the reviews, positive reviews, 5 tacos that they have. So yeah, basically that's it, and I encourage you to get one as well. I have a link in the description below, so please support my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.